Hello, my YouTube family. I welcome to all of you on my YouTube channel. I'm your well-wisher healer and your friend Shazia Khan. Hope you are well and taking care of yourself. So let's start today's video. Do you know shahdud? Yeah, mulberries. Shahdud, also known as mulberries, are small, juicy, and flavorful fruits that comes in different colors such as red, black, and white. Many people love to eat this fruit as it is, but you will be surprised to know that it's great additions to baked goods as a topping. You can use dried mulberries for muffins, cakes, and even Cupcakes. It can even be used for making sweet bread. One can also add this fruit to make salad and smoothies. It's a great ingredient for making fresh jams, preserve, and even jams. Have you ever wondered why people love to enjoy this fruit? Well, because shahdud contains all the necessary nutrients that keep you healthy and beautiful. The amount of flavonoids shahdud contains can help to reduce the risk of heart disease while lowering the blood pressure and cholesterol levels. It contains a good amount of vitamin C and can easily boost your immune system while helping the fight of infections and disease. Shahdud is also said to be rich in dietary fiber, which can promote healthy digestion and prevent constipations. Last but not the least, it's packed with antioxidants. This is a fruit of the mulberry tree which belongs to the Mauricus family and is mostly grown in a temperate regions of Asia, Europe and America. The fruit is small and delicate with a soft texture and a sweet flavor. The delicious fruit is packed with essential nutrients such as vitamin C and K, iron, calcium and potassium. Shahdud contains high amount of dietary fiber and flavonoids which can help to reduce inflammations and improve overall health. Shahdud or mulberry is a purple-pink succulent fruit and can be found across India from Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh to Himachal Pradesh and Punjab. The taste of each type may slightly vary from the other. This are the mulberry history benefits and interesting facts related to it. Shahdud trees were cultivated in the past for the purpose of sacriculture, yani rearing skillworms. Skillworms feed on mulberry leaves and produce silk. The practice of sericulture began in China. Since then, it is though that mulberry originated in China. This was passed to India by Tibetan folks during 140 BC. Healthy immune system mulberry fruit contains certain alkaloids. These alkaloids are a type of white blood cell which will tackle the infections, support healthy blood sugar levels. Mulberry fruit balances and controls the sugar level. You can grow mulberries in your balcony too. Don't you feel like you want to have an orchard to grow the mulberry tree? The good news is that you can grow it in your apartment balcony in the container as well. You would just need a big size pot, well drained garden soil and mulberry cutting or seed. Crush a shahdud, extract the seed and slightly dry them on a napkin. Now sow them on inch deep in the soil. Place the container on the sunny side of your balcony and keep watering it. For softwood cutting, cut for 4 to 6 inches. The healthy stems use a sharp knife or pruner. Make sure this is a leaf node above which cutting. Shahdud fruit is rarely seen in supermarkets. So if you are fond of gardening, that you can grow it yourself in your backyard. The best season it late spring or summers you can grow it either by seed or cutting. Expert advise seedling grown trees as they usually have better health and shape. Once it start bearing fruits, you will be delighted to see the visit of many birds feasting its juicy berries. Make sure to plant it away from the pavement and driveways, otherwise ripened fruit might fall off and create a mess. Mulberry trees usually grow in an irregular manner and look shapeless, but you can always pruning them to tidy shapes. To, to prune the tree, trim the dead and upward growing branches. Its heart-shaped, lobed leaves make it even more serene. Though its fruit might create a fuss around your garden, the pretty foliage and flowers are reason enough to welcome this low-maintenance greenery to your premises. If you want to avoid the fuss created by the dark color of fruits, then there are some fruitless varieties as well that you can grow in your yard or ornamental purpose. How to preserve shahtoot for long? Wash mulberries thoroughly under running water and dry the excess water with a paper towel. Now line up a container with a napkin, place the berries and cover them up with a plastic wrap. This way you can store the fruits for up to days. You can also sun dry and store them as dry fruits all the year around. As sweet and refreshing this nursery rim, the pear-shaded fruit is fleshy, succulent and delicious, and its benefits are even more delicious. Also known as shahtoot in Hindi, mulberry fruit has fantastic health, beauty, economic and environmental benefits. After feng shui and kung fu, mulberries are the next good things native to China. Basically, mulberries are a subtropical group of trees and shrubs grown in a warm, temperate regions. Mulberry orchard exist all throughout Asia, but its growing popularity has compelled the folks in Europe, Southern Africa, Southern America, and North America to cultivate this multi-purpose tree. These fast-growing perennial deciduous woods grow in both wild and under cultivation and can reach a height up to 24 meters. Having a history of thousands of years, the incredible health benefits derived from the classic fruit make it one of the best part of humankind. Apart from all the health benefits, shahtoot is beneficial for skin and hair as well as. Are you curious enough to know them all? Mulberry is a delicious fruit berry that has sweet and some sort of tangy taste. Apart from satisfying sweet tooth, the first weight of this superfood of berry family consists of 88% water, 10% carbohydrates, 1% protein and less than 1% fat. I hope you all like this video of mine very much, so please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. I hope that you are getting progress, prosperity in your works, in your life. May Allah keep you all this successful like this. So now give me permission to say goodbye. I will be back again with a new video, with a new spirit, with a new day, with a new happiness. Take care of yourself. Thank you very much.